a comparison between seagulls' simplest but stress-free lifestyle and the humans' luxurious but stressful lifestyle. Do you see any breakfast on this field? I can't see it. But these seagulls are taking breakfast. And now look at humans' breakfast. Luxurious breakfast, almost everything on the table. And do these seagulls have lunch anywhere? They don't know. They have no idea about their lunch, let alone the food for tomorrow or after tomorrow. What about the humans? Look at those grocery stores. Those grocery stores are full of food, waiting for humans to come and purchase them. And moreover, all those restaurants are waiting for humans to come and have their food purchased. And this is a pharmacy where the humans can come purchase their medications in case they get sick. Do they have a pharmacy? No. Do they have a doctor? Not at all. Now, where is their home? They are homeless. These seagulls are homeless. They have no home. What about the human home? Let's look at the human home. Luxurious home. Inside the home, he's got furniture, appliances, and all sorts of entertainment technology. Now, how these seagulls travel? They have to fly. Like you see, they walk or they fly. What about the humans? They sit in luxurious cars. You can see over there. In their luxurious cars, and they comfortably travel. Let's look at their luxurious cars over there. See, in these cars they can sit or even sleep, have a coffee, and travel from point A to B. And the human has no worry about financials, because look over there, they've got a bank. At that bank they can save their money, use it whenever they want. What about the seagulls? Do they have a bank? Not at all. They have no idea about saving for next hour even. Okay, we have made some comparisons between seagulls, the seagulls' simplest and stress-free life, and the humans' luxurious but stressful life. Now let us find out why the human with all luxuries have stress, whereas the seagulls having nothing and no worries. So the human you see with that type of body structure has something within the body that's called the ego. And the ego has one of its components called greed. Greed makes him to have more and more. It never gets satisfied. Whereas these beautiful creatures have the simplest ego and almost no greed. So this teaches us a lesson that until we know who we are, until we get to know what is contained within this box of the body. And until we control this critical component of the ego that's called greed, we will always have stress, and we will always think as we have nothing in life, although we have everything in life. And these guys, having nothing in life, they think they own the whole world. That's what they think. And they're the happiest creatures and no worries. Do you want to be worryless? Do you want to have no worries in life? Then explore what is contained within the box of your body, and you will find out that's the ego that makes you uncomfortable, makes you the greediest creature on earth. And then put a halter on this wild horse of the ego, then you will become a creature like these guys with no worries, with no stress. So that's the key. Otherwise, no matter how much you have, like you see those luxury cars, luxury buildings, and electricity, and luxurious schools, all sorts of technologies, we will still have worries and stress in our heart and mind. Thank you very much for watching this clip. Have a nice, beautiful day.